Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I'll be making something different. What I'll be making today is not like an Igbo type of food. Like you'll say this is the food you know the Igbos with. But the Igbos actually eat this food. Yeah. So it's actually found everywhere around the world. Yeah, it is. It is. But in the Igbo land, this is like, will I say, an enjoyment type of food. My Igbo brothers and sisters out there will understand what I mean. Like an entertainment type of food when you go out with friends, family. It's sold in the, you know, places, and then you can also make it like during events or when you wanna, yeah, that's type of food you don't make often, too often. Yeah. So what I'll be making today is catfish pepper soup. Catfish pepper soup, yes. So I when I say enjoyment type of food, I know you all, my Igbo people out there, you understand what I mean. Yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Now let's begin. So that's my blended Ehuru, my blended crayfish, my Maggi, my chopped onions, washed and chopped, my Uziza blended Uziza, my blended Uziza, and then my dry Nchawu, and my catfish already washed, and last but not least, my blended habanero pepper. So I washed the dry Nchawu. So in a pot on low heat, I'm going to be putting my catfish in it. So that's my catfish. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is putting my pounded Maggi inside, and then I'll stir it. So you mix in everything, mixing the whole thing with the catfish. Mix, 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 and then put in my habanero pepper. Remember, it's called pepper soup. So when you make this type of soup and it's not pepper, that's not pepper soup. So you should actually feel the spice kicking in. So you put in your ehuru, and then your uziza, and then mixing everything. So remember I told you why I like putting everything in, so that it can mix up with the food, the dish I'm making, and make it taste really, really good. Then I'll put in water. Put in water, hot water. As you can see, the water is steaming. And mix, 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 mix. So this type of fish like gets done like in a minute too. So like you try to put in everything so it starts cooking, and then last but not least, sprinkle in my chopped onions in it. and cover the pot to cook. So this is it cooking. You can see it's almost done. Like I told you, this fish like gets done like in a minute. It doesn't take time. So I'm just gonna stir it in because it's not yet done. It's still like, a little bit it's not soft yet. So I'm just trying to mix in my ingredients that I put in. So you just mix in everything, and then so next thing I'm putting is my Nchawu to give it that taste. Then mixing everything in. Mix, 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 and cover to cook. So this is how it is. Trying to know if it needs a little bit Maggi, and it does. So I am putting in a little bit of Maggi in it. So guys, this is how it looks. This is how, and while stirring it, you try to like do it little little so you don't break the fish in it. So this is it guys. As you can see, it's looking real good. So I hope you're really enjoying this channel. Catfish for the soup, it doesn't take time. Before you know it, you're done. You try as much as possible not to cook it so much, because if you do, the whole fish is gonna break in it. So it doesn't take time. So I hope you're really enjoying this channel. And if you have a request on things you want me to make that's also eaten by the Igbos, things you want me to make eaten by the Igbos, you can go over to my comment section, and if it's within my reach, I will definitely make it. So I thank you so much, and don't forget, tell your friends, tell your family members to subscribe to All Things Igbo with Mimi. All Things Igbo with Mimi. This channel brings in a lot of things for us. We're we're bringing it back to back for you guys, and I hope you're enjoying this channel as well, cause I am. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so when I put in a video, you will be aware of it. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.